Hi, welcome. I'm really happy you're here. If you're watching this video, maybe you want to speak English. Maybe your English is weak, and that's okay, because this video is for you, just for you. We are going to learn together, slow, clear, and step by step. But this is not school. No boring lessons, no grammar books, no tests. This is real English, the way people really speak, the way you will speak. So relax, sit back, and let's enjoy learning English together. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe channel, join our family. We are here to help you speak better English every week, every video, every word. Let's go. Part 1. What is shadowing? Let me teach you a secret, a very powerful method. It's called shadowing. Say it with me. Shadowing.
Shadowing.
What is shadowing? It means you listen and you repeat. That's it. You copy the way someone speaks and you copy the sounds, the music, the rhythm, like a shadow. Not reading, not thinking, just copying. And when you do it again and again, your English gets better, naturally, easily. You don't need to understand every word. You just need to copy, to feel, to enjoy. Part 2.
Ready to try?
Okay, let's try it together. I will say a sentence, then I will pause, and you repeat.
And say it out loud.
Don't be shy. Are you ready? Let's go.
Practice 1. Simple everyday phrases.
Repeat after me. I speak English. I want to learn. I am not perfect, but I try. I listen. I repeat. I learn every day. My English is getting better. I believe in myself. I don't give up.
Practice 2. Real-life expressions.
Let's practice some real-life phrases. These are useful. You can use them every day. Repeat after us.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jake.
Nice to meet you.
I don't understand. Can you help me? Please say that again.
I'm learning English.
I want to speak better.
Practice 3.
Shadow sentences. Now, let's try some longer sentences. Just like real conversation, James will say it slow, then you repeat after him.
I'm learning English step by step. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. Every day, I listen and repeat. I practice. I make mistakes. I learn. My English will get better. I can do this. I believe in myself. One day, I will speak with confidence.
Practice 4. Repeat after me, fast and fun. Okay, now let's go a little faster. Just repeat with me, word by word. I speak. I learn. I try. I listen. I grow. I smile. I don't stop. I speak English. Yay, great job.
Great job.
Look at you. You did it. You listened, you repeated, you practiced. This is real learning. This is how you get better, not with pressure, not with fear, but with love and fun. And remember, you are not alone. We are here with you every step of the way. So keep going, keep watching, keep repeating. Join us, subscribe to the channel, come back.
Goodbye.